Welcome back to a blacksmith's way. I'm here, shading on my sofa. This may look a bit strange to you. Doors open. My shitty axe is there. Yay! Just have a sip of my water. Yeah, this may look strange to you because this is a new mod pack. And I'll show you a tour of the house. This is where I sit because birch is for cool people, and that's where the guest sits, spruce, because spruce is for dicks. And I'll show you that in a minute. We have this high. This is electric fence, so you stand next to it. Hurts you. Got a bell. God, it's amazing. My fridge, which is here. A TV, which you can right click on to change it. Yeah, that's my favorite. Up here is machine crap, shiznit and poo shit. This is where my machines are gonna go. And last but not least, the best room of them all, my bedroom. This is a car, the CN car, because I'm amazing at Pixar. And this is what they look like, definitely. I have a fridge there, just in case you need a fridge. Got my laptop, so I can buy stuff. And yeah, that's my house. And I'll show you this room now. My hand looks really messed up, and I'm very annoyed. This is a template of where my smeltery is going to be. It's made out of dirt at the moment. This is all my stencil table, pattern chest, part builder, and tool station, I think. Yeah, and this is where I gotta get seared bricks, which take a while. So yeah, I have nothing. So I think I'm gonna do is just mine, which will probably be quite boring for you guys. So I'll just cut it out. But yeah, show you around the house and see you in a minute. You know, it's been a good mining trip where you come out with a stack of iron ore. Some stone picks nearly broke. Let's go through quite a lot. I need to burn this. Just mix some furnaces. 7 of these bitches. Don't know where they should go. Let's go. So when I go dining, people can. Nope, that doesn't look cool. I'm gonna make something that looks so much better. Just you wait, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love my idea. If you're guessing what it is, it's gonna be called a Pernus of Furnce. Ow! Fuck. Last night time I'm going to sleep. I hate these fucking electric fences, but they look so cool. Let's go up to my bed just in case something's on it. Yeah, I died in my mine. But I died. So. And I need some food quick. Food. Didn't have much food. Oh God, not tell me. You shut the door to me. Oh, and tackle the zombies. They're coming for me. I didn't do anything, I swear. Ah, you burn me, you cunt! Fuck! Stupid whore. Take him. Ah, they're after me. Take out this guy, he looks cool. I got some osmium leggings while I was down in my mine. Which is pretty cool. I'll show you them in a minute, just to find these bastards. Fuck off! Get off my land! Get off my furnaces. Yeah, get electric fence. Oh, he's getting fucked. Oh. Oh, I can't destroy it anymore, so I'm just gonna have to. There we go. That looks like a Pernus. Let's make it poke out a bit. Oh, a Pernus, a furnace. Let's cook something in this one. Can't believe I've got so much iron. Oh my god, I'm happy. So, and then this one, I'll got some osmium because I want to make. Yeah, you can make bullets out of tin, I think. Well, let's cook some tin. I want to make some bullets. Don't know what for, but it sounds cool. So why not? Why the fuck not? Come on, tin, hurry up. I think you need 2. You can have a bit of a nibble on this rotten flesh. Didn't give me poison. What do I need to make? I need a windmill. Well, can I make one of those? Yes, I can. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Shit. Oh, what? I need basic circuit. Oh, or what? That is control circuit. Control circuit sounds easier. How to make an enriched alloy? A metallurgic infuser. Is that the only way? Yes. Let's make one of those. And that means I need redstone. Brilliant. Metal. That. Metal manipulator. Metallurgic infuser. I need osmium, redstone, and 2 furnaces. I got enough furnaces, but. Oh, tin. Oh, here we go. Here's the magic moment. Let's make some bullets. Bullet shells. Stack of them, which we can make into them with gunpowder, which we don't have any of. So that's gonna. Ah, fuck off! That will be on hold, but they look pretty cool. So why not? Oh, control. Put the rest of that in there. I'm keeping these 2 for good luck. So where's my osmium cookie? In there? What was it in there? 6 osmium. Now I need to go get some redstone, which will be fun. But I'll be back in a minute. Hopefully some redstone. Bye. I'm back with some redstone, but I'm gonna have to take these two furnaces off my furnace, my Pernus and furnace. Should be annoying. Which means I'm gonna have to use more iron. Boy, had to use 3. Lag. Make this pick real quick. That meant to run because that would be cool. That definitely meant to run. Okay. Let's go with this. No, I'll keep that one. This one. Still cooking stuff, so I'm gonna replace it. Don't worry, guys, I will replace it. I forgot how you make it though. Didn't need 2 redstone, 1 osmium, 2 furnaces. No, didn't mean to do that again. I forgot to press R. And 4 iron. Let's go get some iron. There we go, got some more iron. Metallurgic infuser. My first machine going in the machine room. Plonk it down next to a window because I think it's gonna smell. Yes, it smells. Some redstone in there. That's all my redstone gone. Here we go. Yeah, I just need power. Or does that have to be more? Do I have to get mine for more redstone? Oh, I'll get mine for more redstone. I found a good place for it. I'll be back in a minute. Hello, I'm back with more redstone. I've been keeping myself well. Whoa! I need to fix that. There shouldn't be a hole there. That's annoying. I'm gonna have to fix that with some glass later. Just stick the stack in there. That should work, shouldn't it? No? Why isn't it working? I just went mining for ages and it doesn't fucking work. I'm not happy. I can't make a. How am I meant to? Oh, what am I gonna have to make to get this to work? Do I need a coal generator? I'll make one of these. No, I didn't mean to give me a stack of them. I'm very fucking annoyed that I actually have to iron, aluminum wire, which needs wool, which means I'm gonna have to make a pair of shears and go hunting for some fucking sheep. The hunt for sheep is on. But yeah, I should show you my osmium leggings. So where's F5? I can't find it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, I've got a hat as well. So that's my ash calf from Pokemon. Yeah. Okay. Oh, is my floor made of wool? I don't even care anymore. I'm taking the floor apart. Yeah. Please say I can use this. No, I need to find some my aluminum. Any in the chest? Of course there is. I dump all my other ore because fuck off. Stick my aluminum in there. Oh, this is gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good, guys. Good. Yes. Yes, good. Copper. Do I have any copper smelting? Any copper? Hello? Hello? Any copper? Copper in there. And I'll get it smelting immediately. Huh? Yeah. Nice. Got a bit of coal there. I hate mining coal. That's why I don't really mine it, if you know what I mean. Wait. Oh, I need 6 aluminum, don't I? I think I was wrong by taking 6 off the floor. No, I was right by taking 6 floor. Good. Could have been very annoyed if I did. Did wrong. No! What wool is this then? Rock wool, what can it be used for? White rock wool? Can it be used to make wool? Maybe? Just wool? Sorry sir, nobody's in. Please fuck off. Hello, there was a doorbell, but fuck you. You rude cunt. Take it. Yeah, it's my fault. You better pussy off. You better go. Yeah, well, drop anything, you dick. I'm gonna. No, I can't board put my foot back. That's how angry I'm gonna go have a sleep. Yeah. Yeah, how do you feel about that, zombies? How do you feel about that? You're gonna get burnt. You're gonna get burnt. In my little car. Gonna have a sleep. Oh. Coming downstairs. Coming home for Christmas. Let's go find some sheep. Sheep. I need to find some sheep. 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 Quest for sheep. Quest for sheep. Hello? Any sheeps? They're just fucking cows for miles. Can I shoot cow for leather? I want your leather. I want your leather. Give me your leather. No, they didn't give you leather. That's annoying. No, it's not, because that's the vanilla. There should be a mod where you can ensure sheep with feathers. That would be amazing. One shot. Oh my god, I can't find any. I heard one. I swear I just heard a bang. It's really annoying sheep sounds. Bang. 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 2.5 hours. Let's go and hide. I want that hat, but I don't want that hat. I'm gonna take that hat. Just nerd poling with some cobble. Cobble my ass, bitch. Oh, baby chick. Hello, are you alright? Are you alright? I don't give a shit, you cunt. Sorry for the bad language. But if you're 3 or younger, you shouldn't be watching this. So, fuck you. Yeah, there you go. There's a nice way of putting it. Where's some sheep? I look for miles. I see no sheep. We get safely. Zoom control. Yeah. No, no sheep. No sheep. No sheep. No. No, I'm gonna starve to death, and I'm gonna be very sad. I'm gonna start crying. I just want some sheep. That's all I want is some sheep. Oh, it's like a hot tub. Hot tub. I need to have a time machine. Huh? Get it? Hot tub time machine? No, no. The quest for sheep will carry on next time. So I've been Highasafive, and I say bye.